Welcome to the woods. It's lovely out here. You can find such beautiful things as fallen logs for one. Me, of course. Dirt. You smell that? It smells like crap!
Okay, let's keep going.
Okay.
Show us some other wondrous stuff in the junky hick town.
Over there you can see the ocean from here. Beautiful.
It's a crap.
It's majestic.
And there's a crappy treehouse Johnny Kirkham made.
Yep. He sure doesn't know how to build. If I was to build one, I'd build one with 50 kilometers per hour. Yep. This sure is the place to be. Okay. Nature in its prime. Alright. Let's see if I can get close to it. Beautiful. That's gonna hurt you. Now, you have to hold it right, or else it'll bite me. Oh God! It's got my face. Okay, got it. I think it'll be all right. Got it in its prime. Okay, now continue. Well, since we're running out of time, we should conclude our video. The end.